One service we provide our customers is an on-site measure. This is where your designer will go to your job site or home to do a field measurement of the kitchen. We do this not only to get measurements, but an understanding of the flow and function of the space. Any structural changes such as new floors, windows being added or moved, ceilings being replaced, appliances being kept, etc. should be noted at this time. If new appliances are being purchased, your designer will need the specifications of those, or at least a general list of what they should incorporate within the design. For example, if you think you'll be doing a double oven and a cooktop over a range, or a farm sink rather than an undermount sink, this should be voiced now. Your designer will also ask you about your budget, lead time, and the style you're looking to achieve. These answers will only help them choose a cabinet manufacturer to design in, one that will fulfill all of these requirements from the start. The same process is true for bathrooms, or any other room for that matter. A-Direct is able to design and provide cabinetry for mudrooms, home offices, basements, entertainment centers, bookshelves, fireplace walls, closets, entryways, and really any other cabinetry need you may come across. After the on-site measure, your designer will do a preliminary layout based on the information collected. You will then receive 3D images of the design by email, usually within 1 to 2 business days. Once those are received, we suggest you really sit and digest them. Feel free to make notes and mark up where you'll be storing what. You will have the opportunity to make 2 complementary revisions to the design, so make them count. Once the design is to your satisfaction, we then invite you to make an appointment to come into the showroom, where the same designer will show you all of your options in person. After styles and colors are chosen, the quoting process then begins.